Companies are literally throwing money at people who know how to use AI to solve real problems. And it's not just tech companies either. Every industry is looking for people who can use AI to increase efficiency, boost sales, and save time. That means if you take the time to learn these skills now, you put yourself ahead of 99% of people who are either ignoring AI completely or just playing around with it without any real strategy. The goal isn't just to use AI. The goal is to master the high-leverage AI skills that businesses are actively hiring for, so you can get paid top dollar for what you know. So, what are these high-value AI skills that can help you break past that $100,000 mark? That's what we're going to go over today. Not just the skills themselves, but how they work, why they're in demand, and exactly how you can start making money with them. I've linked all helpful tools and resources in the description below, so be sure to click on those to get ahead with AI. AI Skill 1. One of the biggest AI skills right now is knowing how to use generative AI. If you've seen AI generate images, write articles, or even create music, that's generative AI at work. But here's the part most people don't get. Companies don't just need random AI-generated content. They need high-quality, strategic content that actually serves a purpose. AI can write an article, sure, but is that article optimized for search engines? Does it match the brand's tone? Is it factually accurate? No single AI tool can do all of this perfectly, which is why businesses are willing to pay top dollar for people who know how to use AI effectively. There's a real demand for people who can create AI-generated content that isn't just decent, but actually useful and marketable. This includes writing ad copy, generating social media content, optimizing blog posts, or even creating product descriptions. Companies will pay handsomely for this because it saves them time and helps them make more money. If you know how to craft the right AI prompts and fine-tune the results, you can either land a high-paying job or offer your services as a freelancer and charge premium rates. AI Skill 2. Now let's talk about AI and language mastery. This is something most people don't pay attention to, but it's incredibly valuable. Being fluent in multiple languages has always been an advantage in business, but the process of learning a new language used to take years. AI is completely changing that. With tools that can simulate real-life conversations, generate personalized quizzes, and even provide real-time corrections, people are learning new languages at a fraction of the time it used to take. Why does this matter when it comes to making money? Because companies that operate internationally need bilingual employees for sales, customer support, negotiations, and content localization. If you speak multiple languages, especially in fields like tech, finance, or law, you automatically become more valuable. AI won't replace human communication, but it's making it easier than ever to learn a new language fluently, which can put you in a higher salary bracket or open up job opportunities that wouldn't be available otherwise. AI Skill 3. Another high-paying AI skill is data analysis. Here's the reality: businesses run on data. Every decision from marketing strategies to product development comes down to numbers. But raw data on its own is just a pile of numbers until someone knows how to interpret it. AI can process massive amounts of information in minutes, but companies still need people who understand how to use AI-generated insights to make real business decisions. This is why data analysts are in high demand. If you know how to clean up messy data, ask the right questions, and turn AI-generated reports into actual strategies, companies will pay you well for it. AI is making data analysis easier, so you don't need to be a math genius to get into this field. You just need to understand how to use the tools effectively. AI Skill 4. Now let's talk about one of the highest paying skills out there: sales. If you look at the people making the most money in any company, it's usually the top salespeople. That's because sales is one of the few careers where your income is directly tied to your performance. If you're good at it, you can make hundreds of thousands a year just in commissions. But what most people don't realize is how much AI is changing the sales game. AI can automate outreach, personalize sales emails, and predict which leads are most likely to convert. That means the best salespeople aren't just relying on their instincts anymore. They're using AI to be more efficient. You could contact 10 times as many prospects in the same amount of time, with AI handling the repetitive parts of the process. This is why companies are looking for people who not only know how to sell, but also know how to use AI to make their sales process even more effective. AI Skill 5. AI-assisted coding is another massive opportunity. A few years ago, learning to code was seen as this difficult, time-consuming process that required years of study. Now, AI-powered coding assistants can generate code, suggest fixes, and even teach you how to code as you go. That means you don't need to spend years learning programming from scratch. If you're even slightly interested in tech, this is a huge opportunity. Startups and tech companies are offering six-figure salaries for developers, and with AI making coding way more accessible, this is one of the best times to get into the field. Even if you don't want a full-time job, you can use AI to develop apps, create software solutions, or automate repetitive coding tasks and sell those solutions to businesses. AI Skill 6. Here's something most people don't talk about. AI isn't just about technical skills. Soft skills like emotional intelligence and communication are just as important. People who are good at navigating workplace dynamics, handling conflict, and leading teams tend to get promoted faster and earn higher salaries. AI can actually help improve these skills by simulating real-world conversations, helping with negotiation tactics, and even providing feedback on communication style. How do I negotiate a pay rise with my boss? I don't get along with my colleague and we're working on many projects together. How do I resolve my issues with him? How can I show that I'm a leader at my workplace on a day-to-day basis? AI Skill 7. Web development is another field where AI is making huge waves. A few years ago, building a website required weeks of coding or hiring an expensive developer. Now, AI-powered website builders can generate full websites from a single prompt. Businesses need websites, and agencies are charging upwards of $5,000 per project. If you can learn how to use AI-powered website builders and make minor adjustments to create professional-looking results, you can start making serious money fast. AI Skill 8. Gaming is another industry where AI is creating opportunities. AI can generate 3D models, write scripts, and help with game design. If you've ever wanted to get into game development, you don't need a massive studio backing you anymore. AI makes it easier than ever to create your own indie game or work for a gaming company. AI Skill 9. Video editing is one of the biggest areas that AI is changing. Editing used to be a time-consuming process, but now AI can cut clips, add effects, and even translate and dub videos into different languages. Some video editors charge anywhere from $100 to $1,000 per project, and with AI speeding up the process, you can take on more clients and scale your earnings quickly. AI Skill 10. AI-driven social media management is becoming one of the easiest ways to make money online. Brands need constant content, and AI can help automate everything from caption writing to engagement tracking. The bottom line is that AI is the biggest money-making tool of our generation, but only for the people who actually take the time to learn how to use it properly. If you want to make over $100,000 a year, the opportunity is already here. You just have to take action before everyone else catches up. Which of these skills do you already have or do you think would be most valuable for you to start building? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this interesting or helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.